County, northwestern Lee County, southeastern Travis County, southeastern Williamson County, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Austin, San Marcos, Pflugerville, Kyle, Seguin, Taylor, Judah, Lockhart, Elgin, Bastrop, Boone, Wimberley, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Tanglewood Forest, Manor, Rollywood, Martindale, Union, Mustang Ridge, and Thrall. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Because you love him. And if you love him that much, love him enough to make sure he's buckled up and in the back seat. Find out more at nhpsa.gov/the-right seat. Brought to you by the National Highway